Is Polymarket just forecasting the future or shaping it? Polymarket is the world's largest prediction market. The platform allows users to bet on everything from the weather to geopolitical events, airstrikes, elections, and even anti-immigration raids. Those bets generate probability odds that are increasingly used by investors as signals for what is likely to happen next. In theory, it's a forecasting tool. But critics argue Polymarket does more than predict the future. It can influence it. Insider trading on prediction markets is already rife. American and Israeli military personnel have been charged with using classified intelligence to profit from geopolitical bets. During just the first 3 days of the war in Iran, more than $529 million was traded on Polymarket based on the timing of airstrikes. And once investors believe Polymarket odds reflect insider knowledge, behavior changes. Prediction signals start moving real markets. A study on the impact of prediction markets on the 2024 presidential election found prediction market prices are not merely reflections of belief, they can also shape belief. When journalists, donors, campaigns, and voters treat market prices as authoritative forecasts, they may influence how the public understands what is probable or possible. For example, if prediction market odds signal that war is likely, journalists may cover it differently, investors may reposition, and oil traders may start pricing according to the predicted conflict. Polymarket trades may even influence political decisions as high-ranking officials seek to ensure successful payouts for themselves, lobbyists, or campaign contributors. Polymarket is already infiltrating real financial markets. Goldman Sachs is now reportedly distributing prediction market data to investors, while the Intercontinental Exchange, the exchange behind Brent crude oil futures, also offers Polymarket data to traders as a market signal. If enough traders start treating Polymarket odds as credible intelligence, then large bets on the platform can move broader markets. Polymarket users may trade with the intention of influencing real markets or public opinion. In some cases, the incentive may not be to influence real-world events, but to simply change how the event is recorded. A military correspondent for the Times of Israel reported receiving threats from Polymarket users trying to pressure him into framing coverage of airstrikes in ways that would protect their bets. Journalists increasingly say they're being pushed to report events in ways that trigger payouts. At the same time, Donald Trump Jr. now sits on Polymarket's advisory board, while the Trump administration is blocking state-level attempts to regulate prediction markets. So, what happens when conflict becomes a tradable asset? Can Polymarket trades influence real-world outcomes? And are prediction markets being manipulated to shape oil prices and public opinion? Let us know what you think in the comments.